Good morning. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to English video lecture. I am your English teacher. Today is Friday, 23rd April 2021. I hope you all are fine and safe. First, I want to give you congratulations on passing your exams. You worked hard and you did it. We also welcome the new students. Best of luck on the starting of your new school session. So girls, today we will learn about the topic is verb. Do you know any idea about the verb? Okay, this is very interesting topic. Okay, and you will enjoy this class. What is verb? The definition of verb is verbs are action words. A verb is a doing word that shows an action. When we take some action is called verb. When we doing something, so this is verb. When we move our body, so this is verb. When we doing something, so when we take some action, so this is verb. So I have some pictures. I want to share some pictures with you. The first picture is a boy is. Okay, in one picture we have many verbs, many action words. You can see the first is he is clapping. The word is clap, so he clap. Okay, he claps. And the second action word is he is smiling. Okay, he is laughing. So he is happy. So he is smiling. He is laughing. So laugh and smile word is also verb. Okay. In this picture, we have three action words: clap, laugh, and you can say smile and laugh. Okay, so he's happy, so he is laughing. So the laugh and clap. In one picture we have two action words: clap and laugh. Okay, now the second picture is a boy. In this picture we have also many actions. You can see the first is drinking. He is drinking a water. But you can see he is standing. Okay, he is standing. He is looking. Okay, the boy is looking is also looking word is verb. Standing is also word. Looking and standing word is also verb. And drinking, he is drinking a water, so drinking is also verb. Okay, now next picture is a little boy sleep on the bed. He sleeps on the bed. A boy sleeps on the bed. So what is sleep is also verb. Sleep is also the word verb. Okay. Okay, G. Now a girl is singing a song. So she is standing. So word is standing is also verb. She is singing. So singing is also verb. Okay. A girl is singing a song. Her action is what? Her action is singing. Okay, G. Now the next picture is about the girl and she is brushing her teeth. She is brushing her teeth and this is very good habit. So the girl is brushing her teeth. So brushing word is also verb. Okay, when we brush our teeth, so we are action. Okay, we are doing something. So brushing is also the verb. Now in this picture, a boy walks in the garden. So the word is walk. So walk is also verb. Okay. Walk is also the verb. Okay, now the next picture is a little girl. She has beautiful hair and she is combing. Okay, she is combing her hair. So word is combing is also verb. Combing is also the verb. Okay, Ji. Now the next picture is about the run. Okay, a boy run. A boy runs fast. So the run word is verb. Run is verb. So run is also the action word. His action is run. Okay. Now in this picture, a boy, he is eating healthy food. He is eating healthy food. So the word is eating is verb. The word is eating word is verb. Okay. And in this picture, he is sitting. So sitting is also verb. He is looking. So looking is also verb. Okay. Eating, looking, sitting. In one picture, we can see three actions word. Okay. Eating, looking, and what? Sitting. So in this picture, we have three action words. Okay, Ji, now you can see in this picture there are two children, one girl and the one is boy, and they are sitting on the swing. So they are swinging and they are playing. The word is play. So play is also the verb. They are happy and they are enjoying. So they play. Okay. The word is play is also verb. Okay, Ji. Now in one picture we have two action words. The first is run. A boy run. Okay. What he is doing? He is running. He runs. He runs. And the second picture is about the girl and she dances. What? She dances. She is dancing. Okay. The word is run and dance is also a verb. Run, dance. Okay. Ji. Now in this picture, a girl is thinking about something. So she is thinking. So the word is thinking is also verb. Okay. She is confusing and she is thinking. Okay. When we think about something, so the thing is also the word is verb. This is verb. Okay. Thinking, verb. Now, in this picture, the word is throw and catch. The one boy has a ball and he is throwing. Okay, he throws the ball, and the other boy he is catching. He will catches. Okay, the first one is he throws and the second catch. Okay, catches. The word is throw and catch. Throw and catch is also the verb. Throw, catch. Okay. This is picture. Okay. In this picture, we have the categories. You can see the girl. The first word is brush, brushing, brushed. What does it mean? It's mean we have the categories. We have forms of verb. Okay. So in forms of verb, we use the first form just, brush, look, smile, laugh, cry, sitting, standing, knock, jump. These are the run, skip. These are the first form. Okay. And when we add ing, so the word change into ing form like brushing, running, looking, smiling, laughing, crying, sitting, standing, running, jumping, playing, singing, eating. So when we add ing, the verbs are changing into ing form. Okay, the next is, the last is ed form, means uh, second form. Okay, when we do the forms of verbs, so we have the second form when we add ed. So like brush, brushing, and brushed. So this is brushed is also the verb. So we have the second form of all the verbs, like brushed. uh, the second form of run is ran. Skip, the second form of skip is skipped. Okay, looked, smiled, laughed, cried, sit, stand. Okay, knocked, jumped, played, clapped. These are the second form. Okay, the second form of go is went. Okay, the second form of run is ran. So we have the second form is also, and we have the third form. Okay, we have first form, ing form, and second and third form also. These are the verbs. Okay, we can use first form, we can use ing form, like when we see anything is brushing the teeth, you can say brushing. Okay, so we can use the first form, second form, and we can use ing form. So this is our topic, is about the verb. I hope you got it very well and you enjoyed very well. Okay, and girls, I want to discuss about your notebooks. If you have the notebooks, okay, so girls, don't write inside the notebooks. Okay, keep in your mind, आपने कुछ भी notebooks के अंदर write नहीं करना. Just write the name. Okay, just write your name. Don't write your serial number. Okay, so girls, just अपना name write करें. If you bought the English notebooks, अगर आपके पास English notebooks हैं, so just write the English. Okay, अगर आपके पास English की notebook है तो आपने उसके ऊपर इंग्लिश राइट करना है, और जस्ट यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम. और आपने कुछ भी इससे रिलेटेड आपने कुछ भी काम नहीं करना. जब इंशाल्लाह आप लोग स्कूल आओगे, देन आप लोगों ने क्या करना है कि आपने वो, आपको जो टीचर काम करवाएगी क्लास में, आपको आपने कॉपीज़ में वो काम करना होगा. उसके अलावा आपने अपनी कॉपीज़ का बहुत ख्याल रखना है, नोटबुक्स का. अपनी नोटबुक्स को बहुत ही कवर करना है. अपना नेम और जस्ट अपना सब्जेक्ट जो आपकी नोटबुक है, आपने उस पर राइट कर देना है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर कॉपीज़ नोटबुक्स. ओके, आपने जस्ट उस पर अपना नेम और अपना सब्जेक्ट, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपने इंग्लिश की नोटबुक है आपके पास, तो आपने उस पर अपना नेम राइट करना है और नोटबुक इंग्लिश राइट कर देने. उसके अलावा कार्ड कवर पे, उसके अलावा आपने कुछ भी राइट नहीं करना. अच्छा, आपने अपनी कॉपीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखना है. ओके गर्ल्स, थैंक यू. अब आप लोग से इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट क्लास में मुलाकात होगी. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय बाय.